Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your name in subject line. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at get started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to add your name on subject line. And of course, if you want to do that, you can simply go and open a message or the message that you would like to add your name on the subject line of it. And of course, for me, if I click as conversations, as you can see, I will not have any conversations here, but for you, just go and open your message. Then once you open that, you will find the following variable. It's going to be like this. So let me just show you. It's going to be like this. So make sure to copy that following and then paste this variable into any text field. Of course, an SMS message contain a content field, an email subject line, or an email textbook. And if you want to add your name, just change it instead of this there. Let's just, as an example, my name is Alex. So once I do that, save everything and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.